Week 1 of the Body Boss Method is in the books. Stay tuned to see how it went. Hello everyone, my name is Misty Nicole from LadyPrefersToSave.com. Welcome to another Body Boss Method check-in. This week was my first week back with the system after a few delays with the pre-training and some illnesses in my home. And I am glad to report there have been several victories, a few challenges, but all in all the week went pretty well. For starters, a few of the challenges included time. Normally this is supposed to take 15 minutes a day, 3 to 4 days a week, and it took me at least 30 minutes, I think 35 minutes the first day to get through the workout. And granted, I did have to stop to take a phone call very briefly, but just my body has been very lethargic and it was a little bit harder getting back into everything this week. The second challenge has been just sinus pressure and what I think is the beginnings of a sinus infection. I just have felt a little bit dizzy and under the weather and had a lot of sinus drainage, and it just kind of threw my game off. And the third thing that's been a little bit challenging and kind of odd to explain, after day 2, I started having these weird kind of aches when I woke up in the morning in my hips, but about, say, an inch, half an inch into my hips, if that makes any sense. And it's usually gone by about noon, 2 o'clock every day, but just waking up feeling very funny. So I'm hoping to incorporate next week a few more stretches into my routine to kind of combat that. In terms of the overall week, I loved the exercises. I found that they were not the same as the pre-training, but very easy to do. They made a lot of sense, and I like the order that they are in. I again have also been using the online Facebook community to kind of rev up what I should and shouldn't do, and so I added a few extra exercises back in from pre-training in addition to that on day 4, and so that helped a little bit with the soreness. Now, in terms of victories this week, I have lost 1.6 pounds, which was not as much as last week, but still a victory nonetheless, which I'm very excited about. And on my inner thighs and upper arms, I have lost cumulatively half an inch approximately on each, and so that has been really great. I'm just super excited about the progress that I've made with the system. I'm also glad to report that compared to week 1 of pre-training, all of my meals that I am pre-making and planning and prepping have really been filling and satisfying. So I feel that the longer I get into the system, the less I'm really hungry for meals. Although I have been more thirsty, and so I have compensated with sparkling water, and some of the juices that I press weekly. And so that's kind of just an offhand thing about the system that I have found. And if you've had a similar experience, definitely leave me a comment below and let me know about that. And I have also really found a victory in so much as this is, to me, more of a lifestyle change, and I haven't really minded getting up and getting everyone off to school and coming back in and going into my workout room and getting the routine done. Normally, if it was just me and I was, say, going on the treadmill, I kind of would drag my feet, but with this system, I kind of look forward to it, and so I have really considered that part of my daily morning routine, and I get excited to get up, and so I am definitely looking forward to week 2 with the regular Body Boss method. Also, I will be continuing this week again with my meal prep and meal plan. One of the things I want to start incorporating are some new vegan meals. Now, I know everybody's got the wanderlust for spring, but I do know that according to the almanac, my area is going to have 3 more opportunities for snow between now and mid-April, so I'm not pulling out the shorts quite yet, but I will be having a few new meals, including a sweet potato coconut soup that I'm kind of excited to try, and if it turns out well, I would definitely post the recipe and do a video for that. I've also found a few new juice recipes, so if you're interested in hearing what those are, please leave me a comment below for that as well. I have also been taking some of those juices and making granadas for the afternoon that I find really refreshing and have enjoyed those, so that's something I'm bringing in this week. I'm also planning to bring in a few more mid-morning breakfast options, such as, say, a tofu scramble and avocados or some more roasted eggplant or zucchini or something like that, just for a little pick-me-up with, say, some quinoa, maybe even an extra, few accoutrements and dried fruit into my Buddha bowls. Definitely looking forward to do that. Also wanted to mention that on my site, ladypreferstosave.com, each Monday morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, I do post my digital meal plan, which is free to download and print for yourself. So definitely check that out. And so guys, that was my weekly workout. I'm super excited. I'm really enjoying the progress. And as you can see, I just came in from a jog, and so I'm a little bit tired, but I feel absolutely great, and I'm looking forward to week 2. Also in the description bar below, I will be putting Roxanne from The Guy's Life, a link to her channel. She is on the same workout as I have been, and so we are chronicling our journey. She also lists on her description bar some other YouTubers who are also on different health paths, so definitely check out all those links and resources as well. And so, with that said, be sure to click that little red subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any upcoming videos in this series and others over the next season.